This is not something we see here every day at Trents. We've got a £280,000 vehicle, 2025 plate, only 800 miles on the clock, nearly as much horsepower as this has. It's a 4-litre V8 twin turbo, 193 mile an hour top speed, and that is the Lamborghini Urus. The Lamborghini Urus, that's right, these are going for £280,000 out on the market right now, 2025 plate. And this is going live on our Salvage auction, starting on the 14th of July and finishing on the 28th. But let's just have a look around the car. Everything looks normal here. Well, this is actually a category, well, it's not even got a category X, which is unrecorded vehicle. And everything looks sweet and dandy here. All the wheels, 23-inch wheels looking nice. Carbon ceramic brakes, but if we come round to the front here, you might start to see a little bit of damage, and that is on the offside here. So as you can see, the undercarriage is slightly damaged with this front wing, and obviously this alloy has seen better days. We know, you'll see in the pictures on the auction, that the actual suspension is damaged as well. That's on both sides here, so that's going to need replacing as well. And obviously this bumper has had a big crack in it. But otherwise, all the main parts are looking good, and we'll take a look under this bonnet in a minute and show you the details and even start the vehicle. But it's all working mechanically fine there, just the suspension corners, so no. We come round to the offside back here, you'll start to see again that alloy is damaged, and then there'll be photos on the auction platform just to show underneath there the damage on the suspension corner. But if we take a look around the back, everything else about this Lamborghini is clean, it's in good condition, and I wish I could be buying it on auction personally myself, but unfortunately that's out my budget for now. Maybe in a few years if these videos take off, we'll see. But let's take a look inside. Let's start the vehicle and see what we're playing with here. Right, we're inside the Urus. Now, I feel like a kid in a sweet shop here. This feels really special to me. Let's just talk about the trim level in here. So the Lamborghini offer 3 different trims for this vehicle. The S, the Performante and the SE. And the SE is for the plug-in hybrid, which this is. It boasts the most power, and I'm just loving this style. It's minimalistic, but it's sleek. You know, I'm loving the dual screens that we have here. I'm just loving these switches, you know. Again, it's like you're in a jet on that one. Again, this flick up switch to start the vehicle on. Obviously these seats here, all full leather, you know, kind of like racing seats. And then obviously the nice logo you've got on here. So it's just pure class in this vehicle. I love it. And then if we go to the steering wheel, again, what you want in a supercar is the flappy panel, gear selection, and kind of that flat bottom sleek design. Not only in this, and when you're cruising down the road as you do in these SUVs, we've got the 3D Bang & Olufsen speakers, so we'll test them out in a minute and see if we can get this car rocking. Let's not forget, in this Urus, obviously once we flick this switch on here, we've got the different driving modes. Now there's quite a few here, so let's see if I can remember them all. Just to change the driving mode, you can just flick up and down this little lever here. So the first one we've got on here is Strada, so that's street mode. The second one is Sport. Third is Corsa. No, that's not a Vauxhall Corsa, that is actually track mode. Sabia, which is going to be sand. Then we've got Terra, which is going to be off terrain, off track. And then Neve, hopefully I pronounced that right, Italians don't come at me, but that should be snow. So many different options there. If we go over to the right hand side here, we've got the EV switch. So obviously plug-in hybrid, this actually offers around, if I'm correct, about 37 miles driving range on the electric motor as well. So it looks like great fun. I would love to take it around a track. But unfortunately, as you can see, it's not quite ready for the track just yet. So let's hopefully, whoever buys this on auction we'll post some videos of it and hopefully on track as well. From what I can see, there's no damage in this interior side. It's just the slight undercarriage in the offside front suspension and rear suspension and alloys and that small bumper bit. So everything looks clean in here as expected from a car that's only done 800 miles. So what I'm going to do next before we start it, let's just turn the ignition on and see what lights up and what we can do in here. Right, let's turn this on. I'm not going to start the engine, but let's just turn the ignition on and see what happens. I think this is going to be a pretty cool experience. Here we go. Oh, look, the steering wheel's coming down. The lights are up, and you've got these speakers here, the Bang & Olufsen speakers on the dash just raising up. That looks good. Wow. Obviously the digital screen, very, very smart. Got the dual screen here. Obviously this is like the climate control screen. So yeah, heated seats and everything as expected in a vehicle like this. Right, it's time to start this beast. Now, this can be a little bit challenging because it starts up in EV mode first. So, but we want to hear that V8 roar. So I'm going to give this a try. I think I put it in start, put it in sport and pull the EV button down twice. And I think we're all good. So let's give it a try. Oh, hang on, I forgot to put this on the accelerator. Right, take two. I'm not going to touch that. I'm going to put a little bit on the accelerator this time. Let's see what happens. There we go. That's the V8. Right, we're in park mode, aren't we? Yeah, this ain't going to go off anywhere. Let's just have a look out back. Just hear that sound. I reckon it'll be better out there than it is in here, and then we'll take a look under the bonnet. Right, that was so good the first time. We're going to hear it a second time from the outside. Let's get this started and see what the V8 sounds like. Oh, it's that rumble in the morning. It's like a lion in the jungle. That's 788 brake horsepower, 4 litre petrol. It reminds me back when I had an Audi 4 litre, but obviously this is a little bit different. That sounds lovely. Now if we take a look in the back here, I've opened this electric boot. Really cool, nice and spacious. Either if you want the pram, if you've got any kids, or if you're like me, no kids and a pair of golf clubs keeping me kidless, then perfect for a set of those as well. So nice electric boot as well. Let's go check out the engine and see what's under the hood. Right, we've got the bonnet open. Let's see what's under here. As you can see, the engine bay is looking clean and tidy, as you would expect on a vehicle that's only done 839 miles. I just love this big Lamborghini engine cover just hiding that V8 twin turbo engine. Now, a quick fact about this Urus, these Uruses, this is Lamborghini's best-selling vehicle since 2018, and you can understand why. They just bring the comfort of an SUV, but with that supercar power and adrenaline on that one. 0 to 60 on this vehicle is 3.5 seconds. So again, very, very quick. The overall condition of this Urus is absolutely fantastic. It's just that offside with the damage, that near side is absolutely fine. The interior is perfect. I'm looking forward to seeing this sell on auction. Interested what you guys think in terms of the repair cost would be. I don't know, put in the comments if you think you have an idea. We'll never know, only the buyer will ever know. Hopefully they'll share it and one day we'll see it out on the road, and if not, even better, the track. That was a quick tour of the Urus. As you can see, it was magnificent condition. This is a little bit of TLC on that driver's side there. This goes live on auction, and I'm excited. It goes live on the 14th of July, ends on the 28th, and this vehicle could be yours. So go to trents.co.uk, click Salvage, and you'll be able to search the Lamborghini Urus there. If it's not for you, do us a favour, tag anyone you know might be interested in this, and let's keep an eye and see what it sells for on the 28th.